What's up YouTube, it's Nejc Filipič, welcome back, and there was the last video that I did unboxing a microphone and it got a lot of views, so check out this. We have a new thing to unbox that's actually I got for free where I work. The boss just gave me that, said check it out. So basically it's a free, I never used it, smart LED solar sensor wall light. So you can put it outside, it's gonna charge through the sun, and basically motion detector light. So let's go right to this. Okay guys, so here we are, let's see this box. Seems quite cool as far as you can see, it have light. You can put it on the wall and so on, but let's check it out what's inside actually. So I hope this one, not useful. Basically that's simple as it is. So let me see, what do you have here? Oh, that's basically it. So it has small instructions, user manual I guess. Okay, installation, so on, that's basically it. They have a light, that's actually a light right here, it's LED, and this is for a battery to go in. So it's actually even light behind, so basically you can put it on the wall and it will be great light all around. So there's a power button, as far as you can see you need to have something sharp. Okay, so actually we got something, it's cool and nice and so on, but let's see how it works. But yeah, I guess it needs to have a charging first because there's no sight of batteries. And yeah, basically that's a small light. Useful, but yeah, that's basically it. Okay guys, that's basically it. Hope you like it. If you like more videos of unboxing, just check this out and tell in the comment section below. And as Nejc Filipič guys, see you next time. Goodbye.